Hey everybody, Grandpa Rails. I'm going to do an August update, and I'm going to pause this and flip this thing around so you don't have to look at my ugly mug. Hey everybody, Grandpa Rails. We're going to do an August update. You can see I got a bunch of stuff stacked here and there. It's like, oh no, we have bridges packed everywhere. What's going on? Well, right here, I am working on this scene right here. So I'm going to get everything painted. I got to repaint this and then get my piers set so I can get the flow of how the water's going to flow and work on some scenery there, but fill in the gaps. Got this. These two pieces are finally being glued down. My camera will operate with me. There we go. These two pieces right here. And let's spin over here. I've got a little work going on over there. We'll swing around over that way. Okay, there's a fueling station that I printed. No, all the bridges are printed. Piers I printed. Water tower. Alright, and we're working over here on this area too. To get all this done, I painted one coat so far. I'll probably put another one, maybe just to get around the edges to seal it, so when I pour water, it'll not leak into the foam. But I've got both car and train bridge stuff, so working on that. Town's kind of a wreck. There's a 3D printed water tower. Fire station, 3D printed. Distribution center. We got stuff on the other side. See? Got a couple train cars in there. And over here, we're working on our building supply area. I'm going to build another one of these, I think. Printed another smaller thing, but it just doesn't look right. Here's the store for the building supply. The Smith Building Supply. 3D water tower I printed. This will get raised up over here. So I'll have the train stopping here. 3D printed background building. And I still haven't decided what I'm going to call this over here. Another 3D printed water tower. And down here on this side, this is where the grain silo is going to go. Not sure if I'm going to do the shed where the trucks come in or not. Maybe. And over here in this corner is the farm in disarray. I've got printed some fencing for the corral to load the livestock onto the train. I got to work on these two spots right here, get it smoothed out where I got a good transition, nice and smooth. And then everything will transition into here, and I'll get these all glued down in place once I get done over here and over here. And then we will work on the Y going into the peninsula, which I may put a three-way at the end and spread the tracks out down through here. We'll see what happens. But as for now, that is all I've got going. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. And we will catch you later.